Hi, do you want to know what it's like to walk from the bridge to the bluff in Barwon Heads? In this video, I'll show you. I'm Linda, a travel and a map enthusiast. Barwon Heads is in the city of Greater Geelong on the Bellarine Peninsula, Victoria, Australia. Do you know how many shipwrecks are around the Barwon Heads Bluff? Watch and find out. When we get to the bluff, we're going to see 6 installed educational maps that tell us interesting things about the area. Keep watching, you'll learn some things. The 6th map is a nice surprise. I almost missed it. I can't wait to show you. After the walk back in town, I found a 7th map, an old Civic guide map. Hang around to check it out. I've got my trusty map, so let's go. shipwrecks around the bluff in Barwon Heads. The waters around Barwon Heads can be very dangerous and very treacherous, very rough. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more travel tips and travel adventures and more maps.